Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. Let's see how to set up TikTok Events API or TikTok Pixels server-side integration for our perspective funnel. So what you need is you need two container of GTM, browser and server. We already did configure our browser and server container integrating step.io for our both of the videos. So what you can do is you can check out our step.io's video to see how to configure the server and browser container and connect them, connect between them, do the connection. So now let's see. I'll just straightforward to the I'm at the pixel exact. Yes, so I'm at my pixel, as you can see. So it's like so and the pixel I am on the settings, you see. Overview, you see it's my pixel, it's a new pixel, that's why you are seeing all these things. So now what you need to do or understand is when you want a lead event, you want a lead event when someone reaching out to your thank you page, you see. Yes, it's the lead event, you see that. Now there is two way to set this up. First is to use your that page as a lead trigger, or you can have our own premium developed data layer. You see it's the premium data layer which can help you to get much more data and send you helps you to send data to TikTok, much more data. I'll show you how to do this. So now you see we are already collecting the information from there. As you can see, I am sending this to our server side, so it will be received on our server side and we can send this to our TikTok ads and improve our event match quality score. So now let's get to our server container of GTM. Go to tags. We already did our meta integration. Now we will do our TikTok. Go to community template gallery and then TikTok events API. Yes, I want this by TikTok events API official. Okay, so what we need is we need pixel ID. This is the pixel ID. Access token. Go to settings, events API, generate access token, copy token, come here, and the event. What event I want? I want lead event, right? So view content, search. Okay, so lead event is not available from server side for some reason. So I want submit form, lead event, or complete registration. Yeah, complete registration makes sense. So now you see parameter override, you can send the test event code, test event. Here is your test event. Okay, this one. Now you see I can send my email, phone and external ID. So we have all of these on our data layer, so which we can send. So I'll show you how this is getting sent. So I'll show you both of the ways. So it's like the TikTok pixel lead has been set up from our server side. You see it's a lead event already set up through our premium data layer. I'll show you how to set up through the basic way. Basic. So it would be generate lead basic. So it's the event, it will send to server. Now what is the trigger? When someone visiting my thank you page, right? So what you can do is I already created this. So like you just click on create, plus icon, trigger configuration, history change, some story and page URL, and then the thank you page URL. That's it. I already created that way, that's why I am not creating again. So I'll save it. So I'm sending two events to server side. One is via the page view or the page URL, and one is via our premium data layer, which will share much more information about the about the data. So now let's wait. So I want to send email, right? So where is the email available here? it's the email available here. So I'll create the variable for this. It's yes, I need to create the variable. Click on plus event data. I'm showing you the premium data layer, how it could help you, you know. That's what I'm trying to show you. And then phone. So we may have the phone or not, I don't know, on the data layer. If we have the phone number on our event data, yes, this one. Okay, phone. Now external ID. So now we don't have created the external ID created from there. We can create it. Okay, I'll show you. So now what we need to do is we need to set the trigger. First is the generate lead. So generate lead, when I'll show you, you see generate lead. So it's the generate lead comes when someone is using our premium data layer. That's how I set up. You can set the event name as however you want. So for the test, I am trying to show you the both way. That's why I'm showing you this. So you just copy this, and that's what I created already, generate lead. So it's called lead TikTok advanced. With that we are sending information to TikTok. Okay, it's called complete complete registration, but here I want to change the event name to show you the differences. Contact. Now create the trigger, as it is not created here yet. Custom event, and it was test, right? For making it, yeah, this is the event I have created. So now save it and enter publish. So that's what I did is I set up the conversion tracking from two trigger to show you. It's one is basic and one is advanced. So basic one will not share any email or other information, as it is not having the premium data layer data. So I'll show you both. I'll submit this because I did some changes, right? So that's what I need to publish the containers and then give it a preview, and I'll come to your event manager and make sure you are on the test instruction side. We'll see our server activity. Okay, if this is receiving our data perfectly or not. I'll also preview the browser side to show how the data is passing, like our data layer is being used to send the data. Okay, let it go. Okay, let it just connect. So you see, it's our server side and it's our event manager. So here we should see any event receiving here. It's called page view. It's working, right? So our server is receiving event. Now the only thing left is we need to submit the form. Let's start. Clear gavel roof, whatever. I'll just go on. Morning, evenings. Yes. Nothing. Just it will do some. I'm just submitting the form. So we are doing the server side integration of TikTok pixel. Okay. Okay, submit. Okay, so we did our lead event, right? That means someone is visiting that page. It's a contact event for us at server, and when someone is submitting that form through our event data layer and capturing it, it is called generate lead. You see, generate lead came up. It's our premium data layer advanced and generate lead basic. It is firing and sending data to TikTok. You see, it's called succeed. So I'll go to event manager. Okay, now you see the complete registration is having connection server. Okay, hashed email. That's what we send from our server side, like email and phone. As we are not collecting phone from that form, that's why the phone is not sent to TikTok, but we are receiving the email and it is being hashed and sent to TikTok, and as you can see, it's being received. But contact it, there is no option to send the email because we are not able to connect the email or the phone number, whatever data customer is sharing. Now let's see the magic. You see, when someone is submitting the form, it's throwing a event to the data layer from our browser side. It's called lead capture. With that, what we are getting, see everything, every question answers, including city, straight, zip, name, email. So whatever you see, phone, if there was phone, it would come here, and then you can send it to TikTok to improve our event match quality score. And event match quality score is a really important thing for all of your ads. It would help you to scale the ads. Like TikTok would know, like let's say email and phone is something, someone is created the account with that information, and then TikTok knows that that account likes this content, and they would optimize for likely audience for that type of audience. It would help you to scale. So that's how we set up our TikTok pixel events API integration for our perspective funnel. And yeah, that's it. And if you have any question or need any help, you can reach out to me through the contact method on that description box. Have a good day.